Your father told me that if Siddhant marries you, then he will meet the same fate as Prabhakar. What do I do? If I refuse to marry Siddhant, then I will lose his trust forever. Then it would mean that I think my dad to be a murderer. But if I don't heed Gayatri aunt's words, she will never be able to accept me. Oh gosh, what do I do?
Anushka? Anushka?
Anu?
Anushka!
I wonder where she went.
Her phone is also not reachable.
Dad, did you find Anushka?
No.
Sir, the guard at the main gate was saying that Miss Anushka just left in her car.
Where did she go?
I don't know, ma'am. Hey, wow, Siddhant. You turned out to be a dark horse. You're marrying Mr. K.K. Reddy's daughter. How did you manage to impress her? I'm sure you must have done something. Come on, tell us, come on.
No, Mr. Khattar. It's about love, actually.
Oh.
I have loved Anushka since my childhood.
Really? If it's about love, I can understand. You see, there is no discrimination between the rich and poor. Siddhant, just a minute.
Excuse me.
Yes, please. Siddhant, did you talk to Anushka?
No, I didn't talk to her today. Is everything alright?
She went somewhere in her car without informing anyone. And she's not even answering my calls.
Where did she go? Everything was happening according to her wishes.
Sir, she said she wants to marry Siddhant. And when Siddhant is waiting for her here, I wonder where she went.
You should be thankful that Siddhant is not here. Had he heard you threatening me like this, he would have flayed you alive.
Could Gayatri have said something? No. Send someone to Siddhant's house. I want Anushka back in an hour's time. Go.
Okay, sir.
Where have you gone, Anushka? You didn't even tell your dad anything.
Actually, the matter is that you may refuse to marry me after hearing what I want to say.
This must have been the matter. Even Siddhant must be mistaken and I think this was the thing he wanted to tell me that night. But how can Siddhant mistake my dad to be Mr. Prabhakar's murderer? He knows my dad so well. How can dad kill Mr. Prabhakar? Dad can't kill anyone. How can he?
Business deals come and go, but relationships are permanent. Don't
Bargaining.
bargain much, huh? They are like my family. What's a hurry, Mr. Goel? I have Prabhakar with me.
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm getting Anushka and Siddhant engaged today. If my daughter's happy with a low-budget wedding ceremony, then it will happen according to her wishes.
No. My dad can never do something like this. Siddhant is definitely mistaken, I'm sure. But if Siddhant feels that my dad is a murderer, how can I marry a person who thinks that my dad is a murderer?
What happened, Siddhant? Did Anushka answer your call?
No. She's not answering my call either.
What happened, Aunt? The priest has been asking for Anushka.
All of you are worried about the ceremony, but KK is worried about his daughter. Where did she go after all? Yeah. Anushka has left the house. She is not answering our calls. That is the reason. The wedding is on hold. I think Anushka has changed her mind once again. Perhaps she doesn't want to marry Siddhant now. All of you must have read it in the news that I cancelled my daughter's engagement with a cabinet minister and fixed it with Siddhant. I did it because KK felt that Anushka loves Siddhant and that she wants to marry him. She wants to be his life partner. But Anushka is not here now. I think Anushka does not want to marry Siddhant now. And if that is the case, then KK will not let Anushka and Siddhant's wedding take place. Siddhant, I think you are very unlucky. Anushka has called off the wedding. If this wedding had taken place, then I would have felt restricted. The shield between you and KK doesn't exist anymore. So you don't have your protective shield anymore. Just wait and watch what KK will do to you. Just keep your mouth shut and leave from here.
I have complete faith in Anushka KK Reddy. I will wait for her. And this wedding will be called off only when Anushka comes here and tells me the same, alright? And I know that this will never happen.
So this will test your love. Don't marry her if she refuses.
Sir,
Any updates, Mr. Rao?
nothing, sir. I sent a few men to Siddhant's house, but Miss Anushka is not over there.
All of you may go back to your houses, please. The wedding is cancelled. KK apologizes to all of you. What do you say, Siddhant? Should we leave?
Yes, pal. We have waited long enough.
Please wait for some more time. In God's home, there can be delay but not denial. Miss Anushka must be on her way. She must be stuck in Delhi's infamous traffic.
Listen, Mr. Sweetie, waiting over here will only defame the girl's family. This is not right. Look, if Anushka had to come, she would have never left. Huh? Let's go, Mr. Vansal. Sorry, Siddhant.
Now even your friends have left you alone. Huh? Have some shame now. Go.
I know that Anushka will be back.
Both of us know that Anushka will not come back. She has changed her decision to marry you. Now save the little self-respect that you still have and get out of here. Otherwise, Rao and his men will throw you out from here. Ah.
Come on, Purva.
Brother, but Anushka.
Let's go, Mr. Sweetie.
Are those fish still here?
No, all the fish died 6 years ago. What else are you allergic to? Make a list, get copies of it, and distribute them around. Accept my love, Anushka. I love you very much. Actually, the matter is that you may refuse to marry me after hearing what I want to say.
I have complete faith in Siddhant. He must have come the other day to tell me about it. If he had to betray me, then he could have hidden it from me, right? Siddhant, you were going to talk to my dad, right? That's why it took him so long to accept that he loves me. It was such a difficult decision for him.
I haven't forgotten my promise. Before Karthik gets married, I will surely take my bride away.
Still, Siddhant chose me.
Now I know that he really loves me a lot.
One job is done. We have to find Anushka now. Start the car. I'll go and search for Anushka.
Yes, sir.
Shrikant, call up the commissioner. Tell him to personally look into the matter.
Yes, Dad.
Let's go, brother. Now that you have decided,
Listen, Purva, you go with Mr. Sweetie. I'll wait outside. And I'll come back only with Anushka.
but brother Anushka.
Anushka will surely come. I have complete faith in her. Anushka.
I'm sorry. Mr. Siddhant, why are you returning with your wedding procession? Won't you take your bride with you? But this bride has decided that she will go only with you because she loves you and only you.
But Anu, where did you go?
I'm sorry, brother. I think I'm a nutcase. I embarrassed all of you again, right? Do one thing, get me tested after my wedding. Please forgive me. And I won't let all of you leave without blessing us. And then you must have brought some gifts as well.
Even we were not going to leave. We knew that you would surely come back. It's just that you were a little late.
Now, even if the entire universe tries to stop this wedding will definitely take place.
Why isn't Anushka talking to me? Did Siddhant reveal my secret to her?
What happened? Why did you stop?
sorry, Dad. You had to face embarrassment because of me, right?
Before leaving from here, you should have informed me, huh? I was so worried about you. Huh?
But why did you go? And where did you go? Did something happen?
Well,
Anushka,
Mom,
there is no need to say anything. You are back. I don't want to know anything else.
Miss Neeta, the auspicious time is running out.
Come.
Where is he? Call him here. This wedding should not take place.
Yes, sir.
I will see how this wedding takes place. Anushka is going to refuse to marry Siddhant now.
Inspector, how did you come inside?
We have an arrest warrant against Siddhant Sinha.
But Inspector, what has Siddhant done? How can you arrest him like that?
In the Hira Sanyal's murder case, we have found some new evidence against Siddhant Sinha.
What evidence did you find?
The gun with which Hira was murdered has your fingerprint on it.
Inspector, what has Siddhant done? And how can you arrest him like this?
We have got some new evidence against Siddhant in Hira Sanyal's murder case.
What evidence have you got?
The gun which was used to murder Hira has your fingerprints on it.
But why would Siddhant murder Hira? And how can you arrest him like this?
We have proof that Hira Sanyal and Siddhant were having an affair. And now Siddhant wants to marry Mr. Reddy's daughter Anushka Reddy. And Hira Sanyal was threatening him that she would expose him. So that is why he got rid of her, because he has an eye on Mr. Reddy's wealth.
Hold on. I know Siddhant quite well. He can do anything, but he can never murder anyone. I think Siddhant is being framed. You can't arrest him like this.
Please move back, you guys. And don't try to get in the way of the law. Inspector, how dare you come to Krishnakant Reddy's daughter's wedding and create such a scene? If this evidence proves to be false, then you know what KK will do to you, right? We have new evidence, Mr. Reddy. The court wouldn't have cancelled Siddhant's bail without reason. The court has issued his arrest warrant. Anushka, did you hear what the inspector said? They have evidences. It's up to you to decide now what you want to do. But KK is not happy. How can I let you marry such a guy, Anushka? He had an affair. He has been accused of murder. Huh? Anushka, you did not want to marry Vedant, but still, I agreed with your decision. You told me that you love Siddhant. I gave my blessings to you. But what is all this now? You tell me. I can't let you marry such a guy, Anushka.
Your dad told me that if Siddhant marries you, then he will get him killed just the way he got his dad killed.
Dad, as per the inspector, Siddhant is only a suspect. He's not proved to be guilty yet. And people say a lot of things, right? It is not necessary that all of it is true. And you know this very well, Dad. Even if the entire world suspects Siddhant, I will fight against it. Because I completely trust Siddhant. He can never do such a thing. Dad, no matter what, I will marry only Siddhant.
But Anushka, the cops...
Karthik, please don't say anything, because I won't heed. I know that all of this is a lie, and Siddhant is innocent.
Let her do what she wants, Karthik. At times, we should listen to only what our heart says. This is the special thing in Anushka and Siddhant's relationship. They trust each other very much.
Enough of the drama, Siddhant. Now it's time for you to come with us.
Let the wedding be solemnized, Inspector. Why are you being so mean?
Hey! Justice and law does not wait for anyone. Mr. Siddhant, you will have to come with me right now.
Enough of this, Inspector. I was quiet all this while because Anushka was yet to express her feelings. Now that she has said that she'll get married only to me, then no one can stop this wedding from taking place. And don't threaten me on the basis of law, because I'm a lawyer. As per the guidelines of IPC, if a person is doing some important work, for instance like getting married, or undergoing treatment for some disease, or doing someone's last rites in the graveyard, then the cops will have to wait till he completes his work and arrest him only after that. So first this wedding will get solemnized. After that, if you want to arrest me, then you may do so.
Hey, mister. You can say these things in the court of law. But for now, I am the law. Got it? Come along with me. What are you saying, Rana? You should be aware of all this. Yes, now you'll say that there is no such law. Rana, the day I see you in my court, I shall teach you such a lesson that you are going to remember forever. But sir, you still will not give up. Didn't I tell you? Let the wedding take place. After that, Siddhant Sena will leave the premises. Oh, you are still standing over here, Siddhant. The clock is ticking. Didn't I promise you that I'll leave here only after you get married?
Please call the bride's father to give away the bride.
KK, the priest wants you to give away the bride.
Please concentrate and repeat after me. I. Now mention your name.
Krishnakant Reddy,
My daughter,
my daughter,
with love and respect,
with love and respect,
I give her to you.
I give her to you.
From now on, she is your responsibility.
she is your responsibility.
Now you will have to repeat. I, with respect and honor,
with respect and honor,
I accept your daughter.
I accept your daughter.
She'll be my companion in both good and bad times of my life.
She'll be my companion in both good and bad times of my life.
I'll give her love and respect as per my capability.
I will give her love and respect her as per my capability.
The circumambulations are over. Now you are companions for your life. You are husband and wife. Only death can part you now.
Hey priest, you accomplished the whole ceremony in Andhra style. But the groom's procession came here in Bihari fashion. I hope God doesn't get confused. So you can perform at least one ceremony with Bihari rituals, right? Otherwise, Mom will say that I have not completed the rituals of her wedding.
Do as he says, priest. He should be happy today.
Sure.
Thank you, mother-in-law. Purva, get the vermilion box. In Bihari weddings, vermilion is an important element. If God is willing, then the perpetrators can't do anything. See for yourself. Your daughter finally entered my life. This is your first defeat, Mr. KK. If love has its way, then wait and watch what happens next, my dear.
You didn't give us a chance to give our daughter anything. You are really one of a kind, Siddhant.
Oh, come on, mother-in-law. Mr. KK was so happy with Anushka and my wedding that he gave gifts to 326 girls.
What kind of gifts?
Better ask him. Mr. KK has spent a lot in my wedding. However, I didn't accept a single dime.
Sir, I hope I can arrest Siddhant now.
Come along, Mr. Siddhant. You cannot evade us now.
Your trust is my courage. I'll be back soon.
Siddhant, there's no need to worry. All of us are with you.
I will get you out and bail Siddhant.
Support from friends in times of need makes me free of worries.
Dad, even I have to go.
Where will you go now, Anushka? Siddhant isn't here either.
I'm married to Siddhant now. No matter where he goes, I have to go to his home.
But Anushka, will you go all by yourself?
I will be with Anushka. I'm going to escort my sister-in-law.
No, Anushka will not go alone. I'll go and drop her.
I'll also come along.
Dad, it's time for me to go to my in-laws' house.
Don't leave your father, Anushka. How will I stay without you? For the first time, KK could not do anything. Siddhant took KK's daughter away right in front of him. And KK, for the first time, KK lost for the first time. But if Siddhant thinks that he has won, then he is wrong. Because KK will come back, and I will bring my daughter back. If you think you can keep KK's daughter with you for a long time, then you are very wrong, Siddhant.
I know Anushka. She will definitely listen to me. She will not marry Siddhant. Don't marry him. I have only one son, Anushka. I beg you for his life. Please don't marry him.
What happened, Anu? Why did you stop?
Well, I'll go ahead on my own. You guys should go, please.
Hey, not like this. We'll drop you till inside. Come on.
Yes, that's right. How can we leave without dropping you inside? Come.
Brother Karthik, if you want to do something for me, then please try to keep Siddhant safe. Get him out of the jail as soon as possible, please. Because I know that he didn't do anything.
Don't worry, Anushka. We'll be going to the police station after dropping you here.
In fact, I'm in constant touch with my lawyers. Don't worry, we'll find some solution.
That's it. Just do this much for me, and I will go inside the house on my own. Please?
Look, now it's the beginning of your new life. It's a new life, new beginning. Take care of yourself. Take care. Let's go.
And I shall also work on the procedures of getting Siddhant released.
Siddhant and Purva are back.
Mom, I'll get the urn and rice.
I asked you for something for the first time. You could not do it, could you?
Well, had I listened to you and not married Siddhant, then it would have meant that I have also accepted that my dad is a murderer. Mother-in-law, I have no doubt on him because I know that he has not done anything. And I love Siddhant a lot, mother-in-law. That is why I married him. I don't want anything more than this in life. And mother-in-law, if you still fear that dad can harm Siddhant, then you should be happy now, right? Because Siddhant is my husband now. Which father would want his daughter to become a widow?
Mom, do the welcoming ceremony.
Where is Siddhant?
Mom, the police arrested brother in the case of murder of Veera Sanyal. The wedding was taking place and suddenly the cops arrived and said that the bail was cancelled.
Your dad must be behind this. This must be a part of his plan.
Mother-in-law, what are you saying?
What are you saying, Mom? Okay, leave it. Let's talk inside. Do the ritual now, please.
The welcoming ceremony is conducted when the bride and the groom both are present. There is no mention of doing this ceremony for the bride alone in the scriptures.
Sister-in-law, forget the ceremony. Just come in.
No. If mother-in-law thinks that the bride and the groom both should be present, then that's what will happen. It's my responsibility to obey her, right? I won't step inside the house without Siddhant.
Where are you going now? Come in now, Anushka. Please don't be stubborn.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.